Hey, I'm Brian Van, SportbikeTracker.com, and today we're going to do a product review on the Overlord SB2 Stim textile jacket. The Stim retails for $195 as the time we're shooting this video. Please understand, we don't update videos for pricing changes, only if the product itself has been fully redesigned. Let's dive into sizing. I'm 5 feet 11 inches tall, 197 pounds, 33 inch waist right now. I'm wearing a size large in the Stim. This gets me a fit that I feel is appropriate for me. This is the kind of fit that I would gravitate towards. Really good in the arms and shoulders. It's good in the torso. It does have a little extra room here, so if I put on a little winter weight, it's still going to work good in the spring. This is their Attack fit. Icon offers multiple fits throughout their line. This should give you a good baseline for sizing. This jacket includes a removable quilted vest liner that's going to be in there to help regulate temperature, build some seasonality into it. Okay, it does have some ventilation built into it, so this is going to be one of those jackets that's going to be good for multiple seasons, okay? I wouldn't say cold weather, I would say cool all the way to hot weather, and that's gonna depend just a little bit based upon your internal thermostat. This may not offer the level of ventilation their AF mesh jacket does, which is wide open, but it does have a fair amount of ventilation built into it. You can see all these holes. These are laser perforations in this nylon chassis. You'll see them here in the front for intake, you'll see them in the back for exhaust. It's also important to note the stretch fabric you see here. It enhances mobility and comfort. It also allows for an exchange of air in that area. On top of that, they built vents into the lower portion of the sleeve. Almost any type of bike you ride, when you got your hands on the bars, your arms are going to be out in the wind. Your hands are going to be out in the wind. So using a vent like this, and you can see how that thing really pops open, gives it the opportunity to collect air, drive it into the coat, and really work to keep the rider cool with that exchange of air built into it. Armor included with the coat. It's a full complement of D3O CE certified armor, premium level stuff. Elbows, forearms, shoulders, as well as back. It's important to note that in the elbow, there is a 3-level adjustment system for the armor here. For myself, it's in the highest pocket, and man, it's really starting up about here. I mean, that's like a T-Rex arm, you know what I mean? I would need, and I've already done this and experimented with it, to move it down to about the mid pocket, maybe even the lower pocket, to really dial that in for myself. And I would encourage anyone who buys this coat to evaluate that, right? Get the fit dialed in for yourself and get the protection in the right place. Not quite sure why they're putting it in the highest pocket, because I mean, I'm not really a giant here, but you know, my elbow is right here and the armor is starting up here, so one of the other 2 pockets is much more appropriate. Storage this coat offers. Zippered hand warmer style storage pockets, both sides. They have nice locking zips. Inside the coat here at the left breast, we've got a zippered storage pocket, a couple of slip pockets built into the liner, so there is plenty of storage available with this coat. There are reflectives built in that we'll cover in the second portion of this video. It's a quality jacket. I like it. It has some very aggressive style to it, and it's part of that 3-tier Overlord SB2 jacket family. If you want more details, just stay tuned for the second portion. Caleb's going to give you a close-up look from the inside out. Focusing on the shell of the jacket now. Of all the jackets in the Overlord SB2 family, the Stim for sure has the most shit going on, the most eye candy, the most bling. Heavy denier fabric here in the back. Tons of kick-ass screen printing. Laser perforation up here at the top. Stretch fabric over here. Volume adjustment. If you guys heard that squeak, that was video Caleb farting, and we're leaving it in here. We have volume adjustment at the waist done with a metal snap, 3 levels to choose from. Look at the detail up here in the shoulder. Just looks really bitchin'. On the sleeve, screen printed logos, heavy denier fabric, Goodrich, K&N, Owens, PBI sprockets, Icon. Here at the elbow where your arm bends, they've got the little stretch fabric there. That's just going to help increase mobility and comfort. Additional ventilation can be enjoyed with this 2-level vent they have down here at the end of the sleeve. You simply grab that upper zip while the lower one is zip closed. It exposes a mesh panel. Your hands are out in the wind all the time, almost no matter what type of bike you're riding. You get that vent going right there, drives air into the coat. It's going to keep you cool and comfortable. For entry and exit, you use the other zip. There's a closer look at that mesh panel. All this stretch fabric that you see here out of the impact zone wears really light. It does allow for airflow and, most importantly, mobility and comfort. Front of the coat, we have another sea of eye candy here for you. All kinds of kick-ass screen printing, all kinds of laser perforation. Look at all the perforation that's in this jacket, more than we saw with the base model of the Overlord SB2 for sure. That was just more asymmetrical. This is just a shitload right up here at the top. All the screen printing is split by the zip down the middle. Hand warmer style storage pockets are going to be found on both sides. Nice locking zips, cool zipper pulls. Love the detail here, a little motion panel at the top of the shoulder. You get inside the coat. Comfortable mesh liner, comfort fabric lined collar to keep it comfortable at the neck. Storage pocket here, left breast. You get inside that, there is a little stash pocket that includes. That's right, that's a St. Christopher medal in there. Little good karma, never hurt any motorcycle rider, that's for sure. Storage pocket here. Left side, right side mirror image, little slip pockets. All in all, what do I think? If you're looking at this jacket and you're like, that jacket is me, this is a good jacket, it's well made, Icon makes one hell of a motorcycle jacket, we got another fine example on the table here today.